Think you're a trivia master? It's time to put your brain to the test with 20 questions across history, science, geography, pop culture, and more. Keep score, comment your results below, and challenge your friends. Let's see how smart you really are. What is the only planet that rotates on its side? Uranus has a 98-degree axial tilt. It literally rolls around the sun like a barrel. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? He painted it lying on scaffolding for 4 years. Pure dedication. What's the capital of Canada? Many think it's Toronto, but Ottawa was chosen as a political compromise. How many bones are in the adult human body? You're actually born with over 270, but some fuse together as you grow. What's the fastest land animal? It can sprint at speeds up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, but only for short bursts. What's the most spoken language in the world? With over 900 million native speakers, it's the global leader. What element does O represent on the periodic table? It's the third most abundant element in the universe. What's the smallest country in the world by area? Only 0.49 square kilometers, smaller than most malls. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? One of the most iconic love tragedies of all time. What does the acronym NASA stand for? Founded in 1958 to lead U.S. space exploration. In what year did World War II end? Germany surrendered in May, Japan in September. Which organ purifies our blood? They filter over 50 gallons of blood daily. Who invented the telephone? He patented it in 1876 and made the first call to his assistant. Mr. Watson, come here. What's the hardest natural substance on Earth? Its carbon atoms are packed so tightly, it can scratch any other substance. What's the largest ocean on Earth? Covers more area than all land masses combined. How many continents are there? Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Oceania. What planet is known as the red planet? Its reddish hue is due to iron oxide, rust, on its surface. What's the currency of Japan? Often abbreviated as yen, it's one of the most traded currencies worldwide. Which bird is known for mimicking sounds, including human speech? Some species, like the African grey, can mimic entire conversations. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? They use it during photosynthesis to make food and release oxygen. So, how did you do? 1 to 5. Better luck next time. 6 to 10. Not bad. You've got potential. 11 to 15. Trivia beast in the making. 16 to 20. Certified genius. Share this with your friends and brag away. Hit like if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for your next brain workout.